Eazycutlist PRO, software for the carpentry industry. Are you still struggling with your cut list, still making it manually? Well, struggle no more. Eazycutlist will generate all of your sizes. Eazycutlist PRO is for everyone: beginners, hobbyists, do-it-yourself, man or women, installers, and also professionals. Eazycutlist is very user-friendly, so anyone can use it. You just enter your quantity and it will automatically generate all your sizes under 2 minutes. Let's see what sizes you get: cabinet sides and shelves, also your cleats, even your doors. It also gives you your quantity of handles and hinges and much more. Eazycutlist PRO, your complete cut list solution. Visit us on Eazycutlist Co. or WhatsApp 277659466191 or 278245299115.